Welcome back, students. So here it is your Orko sir. So I have come with another fresh and new episode on mathematics trigonometry identities. I have already uploaded some videos on trigonometry. So within next 2 to 3 episodes I will complete the full syllabus of trigonometry class 10 board for all the CBSE or ICSE or any other state board. Okay. So if you can follow all the episodes, then I am very much sure that you can do the trigonometric sums and the concept will be clear in the examination hall, and obviously you will get the sum common from all the sums which I have done. You have to practice and practice. Okay, if you only watch, then it will not going to help you. You have to practice the sum as many times as possible at home. So without further delay, let us start the today's episode. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, subscribe it and you will get the more new episodes and informations. Okay, and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications about the channel. Now let us start. So if cos theta plus a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to m and a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to n, we have to prove what? M square plus n square is equal to a square by b square. So here how we can approach? Here m square is given and n square is given. Clear? So let us write left hand side. What is that? M square plus n square. What is the value of n? N means what? A cos theta plus b sin theta. Okay, a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square, because it is square. Okay, and n, what is the value of n? A sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Clear? So a plus b whole square formula, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, 2ab. 2ab means a cos theta into b sin theta, that means ab sin theta cos theta, plus now here it is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Clear up to this? We are only here utilizing the formulas a plus b whole square. Clear? Applying the formulas a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is a minus b whole square. Clear? So this part and this part will be cancelled, plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now see this part a square cos square theta and this part a square sin square theta. So a square common, that means what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Clear? Plus, so we have written here plus. So b square sin square theta and b square cos square theta. So b square common. So what we can write? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So what is the formula? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means a square into 1 plus b square into sin square theta plus cos square theta means what? 1. That means what? A square plus b square is equal to RHS. Okay, proved. So students, hope this type of sums, if it comes in the examination, you can easily do this sum. Clear? Here it is given a cos theta plus b sin theta, where it is equal to m, and a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to n. We have to prove m square plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. So square, so we are writing left hand side m square plus n square. We are putting the value of m, that part whole square, and the putting of value of n, so that part whole square. So now the simple formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this part will be cancelled. So from these two, okay, a square is common, so sin square theta plus cos square theta. Clear? And from this two, b square is common, so sin square theta plus cos square theta. These values will be 1. So a square into 1 plus b square into 1. That means ultimately a square plus b square. So is equal to that we have to prove as the right hand side. So that is that we have proved here. Clear? So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? So now let us move to the next sum number 2. Okay, students. Now here this sum number 2. Just like the previous sum, x is equal to a sec theta plus b tan theta and y is equal to a tan theta plus b sec theta. We have to prove x square minus y square is equal to a square minus b square. Similar to the previous sum. Clear? But here it is previous sum it was sin and cos, and it is sec and tan. So now left hand side, same procedure. Left hand side, what is that? X square minus y square. Clear? So what is the value of x? A sec theta plus b tan theta whole square minus what is the value of y? a tan theta plus b sec theta whole square. Clear? Now it is a plus b whole square and that is also a plus b whole square. So formula a square plus b square plus 2ab sec theta into tan theta. Clear? Minus what is plus b whole square? A square it will be what? Minus, because minus is at the beginning, minus b square minus 2ab. Okay, 2ab. See, the sign will be changed. Where? Why? Because the minus is there at the beginning. Clear? So now what we can write? Okay, what we can write now? So this and this will be cancelled. 2ab sec theta tan theta minus 2ab sec theta tan theta will be cancelled. So from this a square sec square theta, a square tan square theta. So what we can take common? A square. So sec square theta minus tan square theta. Clear? Plus from these two b square tan square theta minus b square sec square theta. B square is common. Clear? So it will be tan square theta minus sec square theta. Clear? So now it is what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta means 1. A square into what? 1. Okay, minus b square. If we can take minus common, so minus b square into what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. We are taking minus common. Okay, so this sign will be plus and this sign will be minus. So now a square minus b square into sec square theta minus tan square theta means what? 1 is equal to a square minus b square is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? So is equal to right hand side. Proved. So see, so this is the way you have to solve this sum. Clear? Just like the previous sum, it was m. Okay, and in case of in terms of sin and cos, here it is in terms of sec and tan. So x square minus y square is equal to what is the value of x is given. We are writing that the whole square minus y square. What is the value of y is given? That whole square. Clear? So a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus here also a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, but as the minus sign is at the beginning, that's why all the sign will change. Clear? Now this will be cancelled. So from these two parts a square common, so sec square theta minus tan square theta. From these two parts b square common, so plus b square means tan square theta minus sec square theta. Now a square into this part is 1. Okay, we are taking minus outside, so minus b square plus minus what? Minus b square into this will be plus, so sec square theta, and tan will be minus tan square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta means again 1. So a square minus b square into 1, that means a square minus b square, which is equal to right hand side. So students, hope this sums you have understood. Clear? And also you can pause the video and copy the sum. Clear? So now let us move to the next video. So now let us move to the sum number 3. So here x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1 and x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. We have to prove x by a x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. Clear? Now what we can do here? Okay, so let what? X by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1. So squaring, what we can do? Squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. Why? Because x square by a square you have to find out. Clear? Also y square by b square you have to find out. So it will be x square by a square sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta minus 2 into x by a into y by b sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 square means 1. This is number 1 equation. Okay. Again, what is there? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1. So squaring both sides. squaring both sides again whole square. So that means what? X square by a square cos square theta plus y square by b square sin square theta plus 2 into a into b sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 square means 1. It is number 2 equation. Okay. So 1 plus 2 adding we get what? X square by a square sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta plus 2 into xy by ab sin theta into cos theta, okay, is equal to what? 1, and here it is x square by a square into sin square theta, it is cos square theta, okay, plus y square by b square into sin square theta plus 2 into xy by ab, it is minus, okay, a square by ab sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Clear? So this and this will be cancelled. So it is what? X square by a square common. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus y square by b square common. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1 plus 1 means 2. Clear? Now see, x square by square sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So x square by a square into 1 plus y square by b square into sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So y square by b square into 1 is equal to what? 2. Therefore x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. Proved. Clear? So students, you see how I have done this. X by a sin theta minus 1 by b y by b cos theta is equal to 1, and x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. We have to prove x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. Now how to do this? As x square by a square is given, but here only x by a is given. Clear? And y square by b square is given, we have to find out, but here only y by b is there. That's why we have to square both the sides. Clear? So x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1, so squaring both the sides. Okay, that means it is whole square and is equal to 1 square. So it whole square formula a square, okay, whole square formula is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square. Clear? Is equal to 1 square means 1. It is number 1 equation. Similarly for these terms, clear, x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Clear? So squaring both the sides, it is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, okay, is equal to 1. Clear? This is equal to number 2 equation. So 1 plus 2 we get what? 2 into xy by ab into sin theta cos theta will be cancelled, okay, minus and plus, and here x square by a square common, so sin square theta plus cos square theta, and from here y square by b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 1 means 2. So it is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So x square by a square into 1 plus y square by b square into 1 is equal to 2. That means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. So that is proved. Clear? So hope you have understood this sum. Clear? So you have to practice it, okay, and very easy sum if you know how to do this. Okay, so now let us move to the sum number 4. Okay students, now let us move to sum number 4. What is given? X is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta. We have to prove what? X by a, okay, whole to the power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Clear? So now what is given? X is equal to a cos cube theta. What we have to find out first? X by a. So we will write x by a is equal to what? Cos cube theta. So x by a whole to the power 1/3 is equal to what? Cos cube theta whole to the power 1/3. Clear? Therefore x by a whole to the power 1/3 is equal to what? This will be cancelled. Cos theta whole to the power 3 into 1/3. Clear? So that means what? X by a whole to the power 1/3 is equal to cos theta. Now squaring both the sides, x by a whole to the power 2/3 is equal to what? Cos square theta. Squaring both sides, okay, clear? So here it is equation number 1. Similarly what we know, y is equal to b sin cube theta. So y by b, that we have to prove here, clear? So y by b is equal to what? Same, sin cube theta. So y by b whole to the power 1/3 is equal to what? Sin theta. So y by b to the power 2/3 is equal to sin square theta, what? Squaring both sides, clear? It is equation number 2. Now 1 plus 2 we get. Why 1 plus 2? Because this plus this is given, okay, x by a whole to the power 2/3 plus y by b whole to the power 2/3. So what we can write? X by a whole to the power 2/3 plus y by b whole to the power 2/3 is equal to what? Is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. So what we can write? X by a whole to the power 2/3 plus y by b whole to the power 2/3 is equal to 1, is equal to RHS, okay, or these things we have to prove. It's not RHS, okay, proved. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this. So I am explaining it once again. X is equal to a cos cube theta. So we have written over this. X is equal to a cos cube theta. Now x by a is equal to cos cube theta. So x by a whole to the power 1/3 is equal to cos cube theta whole to the power 1/3. So this cube and this will be what? Cancelled. So x by a whole to the power 1/3 is equal to only cos theta. Now squaring both the sides, x by a whole to the power 2/3 is equal to cos square theta. Similarly, we are here finding y by b whole to the power 2/3 is equal to sin square theta. So it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. So adding, because x by a whole to the power 2/3 plus y by b whole to the power 2/3, we have to add here. So x by a whole to the power 2/3 plus y by b whole to the power 2/3 we are adding. Then what? It is coming right hand side, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1. Clear? So x by a to whole to the power 2/3 plus y by b whole to the power 2/3 is equal to 1. Proved. Clear? So students, hope you have understood this sum. Clear? If you know how to do this, it is very easy. It's not too much hard. Clear? Only you have to practice to build up your confidence. Now let us move to the sum number 5. Okay students, now let us move to the sum number 5. So what is sum number 5? If x is equal to a sec cube theta and y is equal to a b sec cube theta and y is equal to a tan cube theta, then we have to prove x by b whole to the power 2/3 minus y by a whole to the power 2/3, just like the previous sum, but here it is in the previous sum it was plus, here it is minus, and here it is in terms of the sec and tan, and the previous sum it was in terms of the sin and cos. So x is equal to what? B sec cube theta. So what you can write? X by b is equal to sec cube theta. So what you can write? X by b whole to the power 1/3 is equal to what? Sec theta. Clear? Now squaring both the side, what you can write? X by b whole to the power 2/3 is equal to sec square theta. Okay. So it is equation number 1. Here we can write squaring both sides. Clear? Now next one is what? Y by a is equal to what? Tan cube theta. So y by a whole to the power what? 1/3 is equal to what? Tan theta. Clear? So y by a whole to the power 2/3 is equal to tan square theta. Okay. It is equation number 2. Here we can write squaring both sides. Clear? Squaring both sides. Okay. Now what you can do? 1 plus 2. Okay, it is minus. Okay, it is given here minus. So 1 minus 2 we get what? X by b whole to the power 2/3. Clear? Minus y by a whole to the power 2/3 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now it's very easy. You know the formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So x by a whole to the power 2/3 minus y by x by b. x by b whole to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by a whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. That we have to prove, and we prove this. Clear? So now again I am explaining this. So here just like the previous term, x by b is equal to sec cube theta. So x by b whole to the power 2 by 3 whole to the power x by b whole to the power 1 by 3 1 third is equal to what? Sec theta. So now squaring both the sides. So x by b is equal to 2 by 3, okay, into sec square theta. Okay, now squaring that is what, squaring the both the sides. Now similarly the second one, y by a whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to tan square theta. Clear? Now we are doing here minus is there, that is why 1 minus 2. So what is 1? X by b whole to the power 2 by 3. What is 2? Y by a whole to the power 2 by 3. That means this minus this is equal to what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So that we have to prove, and we have proved this. Clear? So hope this sum is just like the previous sum, and you have understood this. Clear? So it's very easy. Now let us move to the next sum number 6. Students, here it is another very important sum. Clear? If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, we have to prove m square minus n square whole square is equal to 16 mn. Clear? So let us start left hand side. Okay? So left hand side is what? M square minus n square whole square. Okay? So what is the value of m? Tan theta plus sin theta. Okay? That whole square. Okay? Tan theta plus sin theta whole square. Clear? M square minus n square, right? So m square minus n square. Okay? So what is m? Tan theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay? Minus what is the value of n? Tan theta minus sin theta whole square, okay, and that square. Clear? So m square value, m means this, so m square means this, minus n means this, so n square means this, and whole square. Okay? So here what is the thing? Tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into tan theta, right? Minus tan square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into tan theta, okay, that whole square. Okay? So now what? Tan square theta minus tan square theta, this and this will be cancelled. So it will be 4 sin theta into tan theta, that whole square is equal to 16 sin square theta into tan square theta. Okay? Now right hand side. Right hand side is what? 16 mn is equal to 16 into what? The value of a means tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. Okay? So what? A plus b into a minus b. So 16 into a square tan square theta minus b square sin square theta. Clear? So 16 into, it is what? Sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Clear? So what we can write? 16 into, okay, it will be cos square theta, so it will be sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta, okay, is equal to 16 into, from here sin square theta common, by cos square theta I am writing into 1 minus what? Cos square theta. Clear? So sin square theta by cos square theta means what? Tan square theta. So 16 into tan square theta into what? 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta. Clear? So 16 what? Sin square theta into tan square theta. So see here left hand side 16 sin square theta tan square theta, here also 16 sin square theta tan square theta. So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Very important sum. Proved. Clear? If you don't know how to do this, you will not able to do it in the examination hall. Clear? So let me explain now. Okay? It's a very important sum. So if you don't know how to approach, how to do, it will be difficult for you. It may be difficult for you to solve. Now it is what? M square minus n square whole square. Okay? So basically a plus b whole square minus a minus b square is equal to 4ab. We can write the formula directly, but it may you may make a mistake. That's why I am here utilizing the formula. A plus b whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a minus b whole square. That is what? It is minus sign, a square plus minus, okay, plus b square, but here minus is there, that's why minus b square, okay, and that is minus 2ab, but minus sign is there, that's why it is plus 2ab. Clear? So minus tan square minus plus tan square plus sin square minus sin square will be cancelled. So 2 sin theta tan theta plus 2 sin theta tan theta. That means 4 sin theta tan theta whole square. So 4 square means 16 sin square theta into tan square theta. Clear? So that is the value of the left hand side. So what is the value of right hand side? 16 mn. 16 mn. So 16 into what is the value of m? Tan theta plus sin theta, and what is the value of n? Tan theta minus sin theta. This part a little bit tricky. Okay. So what is the 16 into a plus b into a minus b? That means what? A square minus b square. Now 16 into what? Tan square theta means what? Sin square by cos square minus sin square theta. Clear? So is equal to what? 16 into LCM will be the cos square theta. So sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now from this part we are taking sin square theta common. So 16 into sin square theta, and denominator is cos square theta, into what is happening here? 1 minus sin square theta we have taken common, so only cos square theta. Clear? Is equal to 16 into sin square theta by cos square theta means what? Tan square theta. Clear? And 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta. So we can write it how? 16 into sin square theta into tan square theta. So we already proved here 16 into sin square theta minus tan square into tan square theta. Here also it is coming right hand side 16 into sin square theta into tan square theta. So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is proved. Clear? So you can pause the video, you can copy the sum, and you can also, if you have any problem, you can write in comments. Clear? So it's very important for the board examination. This type of sum very often comes. Clear? But if you know how to do this, it is not so hard, it is easy. Okay, a little bit tricky is there here. Okay, if you can remember how to solve, okay, very easily you can solve it. So students, hope you have understood this. Clear? Now let us move to the sum number 7. Okay students, now let us move to sum number 7. So here it is cos theta plus tan theta equal to m, and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to n. We have to prove m square n whole to the power 2 by 3 minus mn square, okay, whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Clear? Now see here what we have to prove first, m square n. Okay, so let us write m square n. Okay, is equal to m square n is equal to what is m square? Clear? Cot theta plus tan theta, that whole square, okay, into what is n? N means sec theta minus cos theta, right? Now let us find out the value of this. Okay, so cot means what? Cos theta by sin theta, plus tan means what? Sin theta by cos theta whole square, into sec means what? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Clear? So what we can write here? What we can write? Sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. Sin theta into cos theta, that will be the LCM. So it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta, that whole square, into it is what? Cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Okay. So now what we can write? Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 by then sin square theta into cos square theta, as it is whole square, into 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta by sin square theta divided by what? Cos theta. So sin square will be cancelled. So 1 by cos cube theta is equal to what? Sec cube theta. Now what we have to prove? 2 by 3, right? So m square n whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to sec cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to sec theta whole to the power 2 by 3 into 3. That means sec square theta. Clear? It is the question number 1. Now next one is what? mn square. Okay, mn square is equal to What is the value of m? Cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, cot theta plus tan theta. Already we have done. What is that? Cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, so cot theta plus tan theta m square n, right? And that is mn square. Cot theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to, it is what? Cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, into it is what? 1 by cos theta minus 1 by minus cos theta whole square. So it will be how, it will be what is coming here? Okay, sin theta cos theta LCM, sin theta into cos theta will be the LCM. So it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta into, it will be what? 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta whole square is equal to, it is what? 1 by sin theta into cos theta into, it is what? Sin square theta by cos theta. Clear? So this and this will be cancelled. Okay, it is sin theta cos theta into, it is what? Mn, and it is mn square, right? So m means what? Cos theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, sin theta cos theta. So 1 minus, it is what? Sec theta. Sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta, that means sin square theta. Okay. So sin theta will be cancelled. Clear? So it is what? 1 by cos theta into sin theta by cos theta. That means what? 1 by sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? So it will be what? It is mn. So cos theta plus tan theta. Okay, m into n. Okay, into n square, sec theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so sec theta minus cos theta whole square. So cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta into sec theta means what? 1 by cos minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so now cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay, and here okay, then it is 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, oh, that is what? Whole square is there. Okay, so this, okay, that is whole square is there. So that means what? Sin square theta. So that means it is whole square. So it will be what? It is whole square is there. So it is 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, into sin square theta means sin to the power 4 theta by cos square theta. Clear? So that will be cancelled. So it will be sin to the power cube theta. So sin cube theta by cos cube theta is equal to tan cube theta. Clear? Now it is what? M n square whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to tan cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to tan square theta. So what we can write now? Clear? So m square n whole to the power 2 by 3 minus mn square whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is equal to proved. Okay. So see, here what we have to say? M square n whole to the power 2 by 3. Forget about whole to the power 2 by 3 first m square n. Clear? So what is the value of m? Cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, square. So it is whole square into what is the value of n? Sec theta minus cos theta. Okay. So cot means what? Cos by sin plus sin by cos, tan means whole square into sec means 1 by cos minus cos theta. Clear? So now here sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. So sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square into what? Cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 1 divided by what? As it is square, so sin square theta into cos square theta into 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta divided by cos theta. So this will be cancelled. So 1 by cos square theta into 1 by cos, that means 1 by cos cube theta is equal to sec cube theta. Clear? Now let us bring whole to the power 2 by 3. So what? Sec cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to sec cube, okay, sec theta whole to the power 2 by 3 into 3, 3 will be cancelled, that means sec square theta. It is equation number 1 and you can say it is equation number 2. Clear? Now next one is what? A m n square. So first forget about this. So first start a m n square. So what is the value of m? Cos theta plus tan theta into what is the value of n? Sec theta minus cos theta whole square, because it is square. Clear? So cot means what? Cos theta by sin theta plus tan means what? Sin theta by cos theta into sec means what? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta whole square. Clear? Now come to this. Sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. So it will be what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta into here cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, that whole square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 divided by sin theta cos theta into 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta and whole square, that's why sin to the 4 theta divided by cos square theta. Clear? Add is cos theta whole square, that's why cos square theta. So sin theta and sin to the 4 theta, so sin cube theta by cos theta into cos square theta means cos cube theta. So sin by cos means tan, so tan cube theta. Clear? Now m n square whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to tan cube theta whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to, so 3 will be cancelled, tan square theta. So now if we minus it, okay, this minus this, so this minus this, what is the value of this? This value, what is the value of this? That is sec square theta minus what is the value of this? Tan square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta means the formula we know 1. Okay, so that is equal to right hand side proof. Clear? So you can pause the video, you can check the sum. Okay, how I have done this. Clear? And if you practice, it is very easy, it's not too difficult. Clear for you to do it in the examination hall, but you have to practice it as many times as possible. Clear? So now without further delay, let us move to the sum number 8. Okay students, now let us move to sum number 8. So it is if cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to b cube. We have to prove this is equal to 1. Clear? Now how to do? Okay, now what is given? A cube is equal to what? Cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to cosec theta means what? 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Clear? Is equal to what? Sin theta will be the LCM. Okay, so 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, that means what? Cos square theta by sin theta. Clear? Cos square theta by sin theta. Okay, so now cos square theta by sin theta. So what is the value of a? So a will be what? Cos to the power 2 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? The value of a. Okay. Similarly we have to find out b cube. Okay. So b cube is equal to what? Sec theta minus cos theta. What is the value of sec? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta, that means what? Sin square theta by cos theta. So b is equal to sin to the power 2 by 3 theta whole divided by cos to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? So that is the value of a cube. Okay, and a, b cube and b. Clear? Now we have to write what? Left hand side what? A square b square into a square plus b square is equal to what we can write? A to the power 4 b square plus b to the power 4 a square. Okay. Now let us take common AB common. So it is now a cube a cube b plus b cube a. Why I have taken a b common? Because a and b cube, a and a cube, b and b cube value we already know. Clear? Now we'll put the value. Okay, now we'll put the value. What? ab into a cube b plus b cube a. So what is the value of a? A means cos to the power 2 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 1/3 theta into what is the value of b? B means sin to the power 2 by 3 theta whole divided by cos to the power 1 by 3 into theta. Clear? Into what is the value of a cube? Value of a cube. Value of a cube means cos square theta divided by sin theta. Cos square theta divided by sin theta. Okay? Into what is the value of b? Sin to the power 2 by 3 theta divided by cos to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? Then plus what is the value of b cube? B cube means sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta by cos theta into what is the value of a? A means cos to the power 2 by 3 theta, cos to the power 2 by 3 theta divided by what? Sin to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? So that is the value. Now cos 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so cos to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 theta. Clear? Divided by sin to the power what? Or we can write like this, same thing, cos to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 theta into sin to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 theta. Clear? Here it is, so what? Cos square minus 1 by 3, okay, cos square minus 1 by 3 into theta into sin to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 into theta plus sin to the power 2 minus 1 by 3 into theta into cos to the power 2 by 3, okay, minus 1, clear, into theta. Okay, so here it will be what? Cos to the power 2 minus 1 means 1 by 3. Okay, 2 minus 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 into sin to the power 1 by 3 into theta. Clear? Into here it will be cos. Okay, cos to the power what? Cos to the power 3 will be there, so 6 minus 1 by 3, that means 5 by 3. 5 by 3 into theta. Clear? Into sin to the power, okay, minus 1 by 3 into theta plus sin to the power 5 by 3, okay, into theta, sin to the power 5 by 3 into theta into cos to the power minus 1 by 3 into theta. Clear? Now we will multiply. Now we will multiply this into this plus this into this. So it will be what? Cos to the power 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3, okay, into theta into sin to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into theta, okay, plus this into this, that means sin to the power 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into theta into cos to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into theta. Clear? So it is what? 3, 6, that means cos square theta, and this so sin to the power 0 means 1 into 1 plus it is what? Sin square theta Sin square theta into this will be cancelled. Cos over 0 means what? 1. That means what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 is equal to what? RHS. Proved. So students, you have understood this sum. Only you have to keep your brain cool, otherwise you will make mistake. Clear? So how to do this sum? Cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to b cube. We have to prove a square b square into a square plus b square is equal to 1. Clear? Now the thing is that what we know, a cube means cos theta minus sin theta. A cube means cos theta minus sin theta. Clear? Now what is the cosec theta minus sin theta? So what is cosec theta? 1 by sin, reciprocal of sin, minus sin theta is equal to sin theta will be the LCM. Then 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta by sin square by sin theta. Clear? So that is the value. It is nothing but a cube. Clear? It is the value of a cube. Okay. So what is the value of a? Then a is equal to what? That means cos to the power what? 2 by 3 theta divided by sin to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? So that is the value of a. Cos to the power 2 by 3 theta into sin to the power 1 by 3 theta. Okay. So now b cube is equal to sec theta minus cos theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos minus cos theta is equal to cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta by cos theta. Clear? Now what will be then b? B means sin theta to the power 2 by 3 divided by cos theta to the power 1 by 3. Okay. So that is the value of b cube. B cube value of b cube is this and value of b means this. Now we have to write this one as the left hand side. So what is there? A square b square into a square plus b square. Okay. Now we are multiplying a square b square into a square means a to the power 4 into b square plus a square b square into b square means a to the b to the power 4 into a square. Clear? Now a b common. Why a b common? Because we know the value of a and b and a cube and b cube, but it is in form of a to the power 4 b square and b to the power 4 a square. Clear? So that's why you have taken a b common. So it is a cube b plus it will be b cube a. Okay. Now we are putting the value. What is the value of a and b? Value of a is cos to the power 2 by 3 theta into divided by what? Sin to the power 1 by 3 theta into what is the value of b? Sin to the power 2 by 3 theta divided by cos to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? Into what is the value of a cube? Value of a cube means this one. Okay. Cos square theta by sin theta. Cos square theta by sin theta. Into what is the value of b? Value of b means this one. Sin to the power 2 theta 2 by 3 theta divided by cos to the power 1 by 3 theta plus b cube. What is the value of b cube? B cube value means sin square theta by cos theta. So sin square theta by cos theta into what is the value of a? Value of a means this one, cos to the power 2 by 3 theta into sin to the power 1 by 3 theta. Clear? Now this is the simple form, x to the power a divided by x to the power b, that means x to the power a minus b. So that formula we are using. Clear? So it is cos to the power 2 by this is cos square theta divided by cos to the power 1 by cos to the power 1 by 3 theta. So that means cos to the power 2 minus 1 by 3 into theta. Similarly for the sin to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 into theta plus for here it is sin square theta, it is sin to the power 2 minus 1 by 3 theta into cos to the power what? 2 by 3 minus 1 into theta. Clear? Now from the outside it is what? It is cos to the power 1/3 into sin to the power 1/3 theta. Clear? Into this one cos to the power 5 by 3 theta into sin to the power what? Minus 1 by 3 theta. 2 by 3 minus 1 means what? Minus 1 by 3 plus sin to the power it will be 5 by 3 theta into cos to the power minus 1 by 3 theta. Now we are multiplying this into this plus this into this. Okay. So cos to the power 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into sin to the power what? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Clear? Plus this and this means what? Sin to the power 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into cos to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So this will be what? 6 by 3, that means cos square theta. Clear? Into sin to the power 0 means 1 plus sin to the power 6 by 3 means sin square theta into cos to the power 0 means 1. Okay. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. So only a little bit calculations is there. Yeah. If you can do it correctly, then the sum is not too much hard. Okay. So you can do the sum if you can practice it at home as many times as possible. The same actually formula What is the formula? Practice, practice and practice. Clear? As much as you will practice, it will be clear for you, okay, to solve in the examination. Clear? So, hope you have understood this. Now, let us move to the sum number 9. Okay, students. So, let us now solve this. If x is equal to sec a plus tan a and y is equal to sec a minus tan a, then we have to prove 2 by x plus y whole square plus x minus whole square by x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to 1. It is also a very common type of sums for the board exams. Clear? Now, how to do this? Okay, so what is there? X plus y and x minus y. So, first let us do x plus y. What is x plus y? So, sec a plus tan a, I am writing the value of a, x, okay, plus what is the value of y? Sec a minus tan a, right? So, tan a will be cancelled, is equal to 2 sec a. Clear? So, x plus y by 2 is equal to what? Sec a, right? Okay, is equal to what? 1 by cos a. So, what you can write? 2 by x plus y is equal to cos a, okay? Therefore, 2 by x plus y, I am writing here only. Therefore, what? 2 by x plus y whole square is equal to cos square a. It is equation number 1. Similarly what? X minus y. Clear? X minus y is there. So, x minus y, x, what is the value of x? Sec a plus tan a minus sec a, clear, plus tan a. Sign will be changed, sec a minus tan a. So, as minus is there, so it will be plus tan a. So, this will be cancelled, is equal to 2 tan a. So, what you can write? X minus y by 2 is equal to what? Okay, sec a minus tan a. So, x minus y by 2 is equal to it is what? Sec a plus tan a. So, sec a plus tan a plus sec a minus tan a is equal to 2 sec a. So, x plus y by 2 is equal to sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. So, 2 by x plus y is equal to what? Cos a. So, 2 by x plus y is equal to whole square is equal to cos square a. Okay. So, now it is what? 2 by x minus y by 2 is equal to x minus y by 2 is equal to tan a. Okay. Therefore, x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to tan square a. Okay. Sec a plus tan a is equal to tan square a. So, is equal to tan square a. Sec a plus tan a, cos theta minus tan cos theta. So, it is what? Sec a plus tan a. So, sec means what? 1 by cos square a. Okay. So, sec square theta minus tan square theta. So, x minus 2 whole square is equal to tan square a. So, 2 divided by x plus y whole square is equal to cos square a. Okay. So, it is cos, so sin square by cos square. Okay. So, 1 minus sin square by cos square. So, cos square a minus sin square by cos square. So, cos square 4a. So, it is sin square theta. So, let me check it once whether it is right or wrong. Okay. So, students, this will be sin theta. Okay. So, it will be sin theta. So, sec theta plus sin theta divided by sec theta minus sin theta, clear, is equal to 2 sec theta. So, rest of the portions is okay. So, it is what? It will be sin theta, clear, and it will also be sin theta. So, it will be 2 sin theta, clear. So, now it will be sin theta. So, it will be sin square theta, clear. So, now it is equation number 2. Now, 1 plus 2 we get what is 1? 2 divided by x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to, it is what? Cos square a. Okay. It will be a because it is not be theta. Cos square a divided by what? Plus sin square What is the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So that is proved. So it is very easy sums. So as while copying on the board from the books, I have done a mistake. I have written it tan theta. Clear? So it will be sin A. So what is the problem? Actually it was, see, x is equal to sec A plus sin A and y is equal to sec A minus sin A. We have to prove this is equal to this. Clear? Very common type of sum. So x plus y is equal to y x plus y, because x plus y you have to find out. Clear? So x plus y is equal to sec A plus sin A plus what is the value of y? Sec A minus sin A. Clear? What is the value of y? Sec A minus sin A. Okay. So sin A plus sin A and minus sin A will be cancelled. So 2 sec A. So the value will be here 2 sec A. Clear? The value will be 2 sec A. So now x plus y by 2. Why? Because 2 is there. That's why x plus y by 2 is equal to what? So 2 is coming here. So only sec A. Sec A means what? 1 by cos A. So we are just reciprocal of it what? 2 by x plus y is equal to 1 by cos A means only cos A. Okay. Now the 2 by x plus y whole square is equal to cos square A. That is the question number 1. Similarly, x minus y is equal to sec A plus sin A minus sec A plus sin A. Sec A will be cancelled. So 2 sin A. Okay. Now it is what? Now x minus y by 2 is equal to sin A. Clear? X minus y by 2 is equal to sin A. Now this square. So x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to sin square A. Okay, that is the question number 2. So 1 plus 2 means 2 plus x plus y whole 2 by x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square, x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to 1. So that means what? We have to add these two. So 2 by x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to what? It is what? Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Clear? So it is very easy sum and it has come in the board exam of CBSE. So this type of sums may come in any board exam, okay, of class 10 level. Clear? So I hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the next sum, sum number 10. So students, here it is another very important sum for the board exams. Clear? So m is equal to cos theta minus sin theta is given. Clear? And n is equal to cos theta plus sin theta is given. Okay. We have to show root over m by n plus root over n by m is equal to 2 divided by root over 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? So now let us start. It is what? What is given? Left hand side root over m by n plus root over n by m. Clear? So what we can write? Root over m by root over n plus root over n by root over m. Clear? Is equal to root over n into root over m will be the LCM. So it will be what? Root over m into root over m plus root over n into root over n. Clear? So that means what? Root of m into root of m means what? M into n divided by root over mn. Clear? So this is we are finding, okay, as left hand side. Now we have to find out the value. So m into n is equal to what? Now m into n, what is the value of m? Cos theta minus sin theta, right? Okay. It is okay, it is m plus n. Okay, m plus n. Clear? So this is what? M into m means m plus n into n means n divided by root over mn. So it is what is m plus n? Cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta. Clear? Is equal to this will be cancelled. So 2 cos theta. Okay. So this value we already got. Now next value is what? Root over mn is equal to root over what is the value of m? Cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Into cos theta plus sin theta. Right. So is equal to what? Is equal to root over a plus b into a minus b. That means cos square theta minus sin square theta. A square minus b square. Okay. What is the now a square minus b square? Now take cos square theta common. Clear? So that means what? 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta, because we have to bring tan. Okay, is equal to root over what? So cos square theta will come outside. So it will be what? Cos theta into root over 1 minus, it will be sin square by cos square means what? Tan square theta. Clear? Now, what is there? M plus n by root over mn. What is the m plus n? 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta divided by root over mn means what? Cos theta into root over 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? So, this will be cancelled, is equal to 2 divided by root over 1 minus tan square theta. So, that we have to prove is equal to RHS, proved. Clear? Okay. So, this is also very much important sum, very important for the board exam. So, I am explaining you once again. So, what is given? M into is equal to cos theta minus sin theta and n is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. We have to show that root over m by n plus n by root over n by m is equal to 2 divided by root over 1 minus tan square theta. Clear? So, now these things, what is that? Root over m by n plus root over n by m. How can write root m by root n minus root plus root n by root m? So, root m into root n will be the LCM. So, root m into root m plus root n into root n. Clear? So, root m into root m means m plus root n into root n means n divided by root over mn. Clear? And m plus n means what? This plus this. So, cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta. So, that becomes 2 cos theta. Clear? And root over mn means what? Cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. So, a plus a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. Clear? Now, it is what? So, it is now from here we are taking cos square theta common. So, it will be 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Clear? So, that cos square theta will come outside as cos theta into 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta means what? Tan square theta. Clear? Now, what is the left hand side? M plus n divided by root over mn is equal to what is the m plus n value? 2 cos theta, and what is the value of root mn? That one. Okay, cos theta divided by root over 1 minus tan square theta. So, cos theta will be cancelled. So, 1 by root over 1 minus tan square theta. So, that we have to prove as right hand side. So, is equal to RHS proved. Clear? So, students, hope you have understood the today's episode. Clear? I have solved some sums, and in the next episode we will solve some more sums from this trigonometric identity, and next we will move to the next chapter, height and distance. Okay. So, within next 2 to 3 episodes I will try to complete the trigonometry syllabus for your board examination. So, I am giving you the guarantee, if you can solve all the sums whichever I have done throughout the trigonometric episode for class 10. Okay. I think you will able to solve all type of sums in the board examination. Okay. So, if you want to see more this type of videos, write it in comments. Okay. I will continue to upload the different type of sums from different topics. Clear? So, hope you will you already understand the topic of today, whatever I have discussed. Okay. So, thank you, students.